everyone. So at this juncture, I want you to reflect at least on my point. We've been talking about purpose in life and medyo malapit na tayo sa edad na we've been thinking about kung ano yung gagawin natin sa buhay, kung ano yung mission ba natin sa buhay. And this part will be helpful for us all. So this is human function and the goal of life, eudaimonia. So the ultimate goal of human life is eudaimonia. This is not mere pleasure, wealth, or honor, but a life of virtue and rational security in accordance with our nature. So ibig sabihin, ang eudaimonia is achieving a fulfilled, happy life. And paano ba natin ma-achieve ang fulfilled, happy life? By doing the things we love, by developing and discovering our potential. Well, it is not an emotion, but it is a state of being. It will be achieved over a lifetime through right choices and virtuous living. So, once na piliin natin, sabihin natin, piliin ang sarili muna, at alamin natin yung mga goal natin sa buhay, nagsisimula tayo sa stage na we are starting to achieve eudaimonia. And once we become successful in those stages, that's eudaimonia itself. Na mafe-feel natin na mafe-feel natin na we've been successful na and we've been happy with our lives. We are satisfied. To Positive Psychology 2019. Eudaimonia refers to a fulfilling life through authentic self-realization, emphasizing living in accordance with one's true values and purpose. Additionally, eudaimonia is the state of happiness as well. Are you happy with your life? Are you achieving? Do you have goals already? Because those goals will lead you to eudaimonia someday. And we need to be careful with our goals. Kasi halimbawa ngayon, we are in the verge, or we are in second year college, and malapit na tayo mag-OJT, tapos third year, fourth year. And we need to start now. We need to create goals, we need to create what we want, we need to discover something, we need to think out of the box. Kasi napakarami mong pwedeng gawin to achieve eudaimonia. Either you come back to yourself, or you try other things, or you just improve what you have. Kasi sometimes when you come back, you will learn something from it as well. When you move into another, or you got out of your box, you will discover that you can do this. Kaya ko pala. Sige, gagawin ko. But if prepare mo naman na you already know yourself and you want to improve it na lang, then it's on. As long as you have goals and you achieve those goals, not now, maybe, but in the latter. So, for eudaimonia, you just need to have goals. You just need to strengthen your beliefs. You just need to believe in yourself. Find inspiration, motivation, and do what you love. Enjoy life. That's eudaimonia.